Maricel, working here in New Zealand. Kakarating lang namin dito last February. Ang ingay na ano. Last February, together with my husband and our son. I was a Singapore registered nurse, by the way, for like more than 7 years. And I think that is one of the advantage of working in Singapore because you really have that good experience. Working in Singapore is such a good thing because yung skills talaga mahahasa doon sa Singapore kasi lahat ng mga trainings doon talaga grabe sa Singapore. That's why we love working as well in Singapore. It's just that when during pandemic, doon talaga kami napaisip-isip. Initially talaga guys, wala akong planong mag-migrate kasi Singapore is a country wherein napaka-lapit lang sa Philippines. In case of emergency, makaka-uwi ka agad in just 3 hours and accessible lahat. Pero nung pandemic, doon na talaga kami na parang hirap mag-work na malayo sa anak. Kami kasi ng husband ko is nag-work sa Singapore. So, yung anak namin sa Philippines. Doon na ako napaisip-isip na kung may country lang talagang mag-offer na makakapag-work ka doon together with your family, I will grab that opportunity talaga. And then, yeah, New Zealand offers such opportunity to those nurses. And I grabbed that opportunity, guys. And yan, nakarating na kami dito after I've completed everything, all the requirements. And then I passed the application. I had my APC and the hospital paid all the expenses for our airfare and everything. And now we're here now in New Zealand. That's one of the, I think, big blessings na binigay ng sa taas. Gawa ng already working here with our son. If you're going to ask me if what is our life now here in New Zealand, 8 months pa lang po kami dito compared to those na ang tagal na dito. Siguro for us, compare mo yung status namin as a newbie here in New Zealand. But kahit bago pa lang kami dito, na-feel na talaga namin yung belongingness, kumbaga. Gawa ng, ang dami nilang opportunities na binibigay sa kanilang mga tao. Ang una-una talagang nakita naming maganda dito sa New Zealand is yung school ng mga bata. It's free and yung kanilang medical, lahat sa health nila libre. And then another thing is yung work-life balance. Yes, ang ganda dito. And yung pasahod is fortnight. Nag-adjust lang talaga kami ng sobra ng pagdating namin dito. Gawa nga ng yung environment. Hindi kasi tayo sanay sa malamig lagi. Though pagdating namin is part pa ng summer season. Then papunta na ng taglagas, yung fall. Palamig din ng konti. Nang pagdating ng winter, doon na. Sobrang lamig. Mostly siguro nang andito sa New Zealand, makaka-relate. Yung pag nasa Pinas tayo is everyday, kahit 2 times a day, 3 times a day ka pang maligo. Pagdating ng winter dito, every other day nang naliligo. Yun yung isa sa mga changes namin dito. And nag-dry yung scalp ko talaga dito, guys. Alam mo yung pag ganito mo, ang daming nahulog na mga snowflakes. Mga snowflakes, ganon. Tapos, ang lamig talaga, ang lamig. Nag-adjust talaga kami nun. Tapos, nagka-COVID kami ni Mr. Pero yung anak namin hindi. Good thing lang nung nagka-COVID kami kasi may mga free ration. Nagbibigay ng mga free foods, ganun. Tapos may COVID something na leave kami na paid yun. And then, another thing dito is, yung napansin ko is pag nag-sick leave, pag nag-absent ka sa work, halimbawa, you're not so well, you're sick, you're not able to come to work next day, you just need to inform your workplace. Kasi ako sa hospital, so kailangan kong tawagan mo na yung coordinator namin like 6 hours before, or like if it's too late, like the late one is 5 or 4 hours, I'm not sure, but for us it's 6 hours before, just to inform them. Just call them, oh, I'm not well today. It's just that easy. They will just tell you like, okay, get well soon, take care, just call us if you're not able to work for how many days, like that. And when you come back to work the next day, like, are you okay now? Are you alright? Are you sure you're good to work now? Like that. Yeah, they're like, oh, napaka-caring nila. Yes, that's one thing I noticed here. And hindi siya masyadong stressful and pressured sa workplace. Like, chill. Like, chill lang siya. Chill lang talaga. Dito, sa area namin, yung medication is sa MedChart na siya, computerized. Pero, yung documentation is sulat pa rin siya. Sulat. Yan, ganun. But anyways, and all, ang dami ko ng dada. Ang masasabi ko lang talaga, living in New Zealand is such a big blessing from above. Kasi ang ganda talaga dito sa New Zealand. Pag may sasakyan ka dito, it's a +1 kasi makakagala ka. Ayun, ng family mo, anywhere kung gusto nyo. For us, kung tatanungin nyo kami, kung may sasakyan na kami, no, wala pa po. Kasi ni isa sa amin, ni Hubert, walang ni marunong drive ng car. And we're also thinking na hindi namin yun need kasi yung tinitirhan namin ngayon is just walking distance sa hospital and walking distance lang din sa workplace ni Mr. And sa school naman ng anak namin, 20 minutes walk, 15 to 20 minutes walk naman siya. Pero preferred kasi namin maglakad kasi yung walking is a means of exercise din. Lalo na dito sa New Zealand, nakakataba talaga. Ewan ko nga ba't tumaba. Lahat ata kami tumataba. Siguro kasi nga napaka-stress-free. Ganun. Ngayon is spring. Pero ito kasi sa Auckland, in just one day, naranasan mo yung rainy, sunny, windy, and ano pa ba, na kind of weather. Kaya kailangan pag lumabas ka ng bahay nyo, dala ka ng lahat. Dala ka ng payong, dala ka ng raincoat, dala ka ng windbreaker, mga ganon. Kasi in just one day, maranasan mo lahat yon. Okay guys, kung may mga katanungan po kayo, just message me and I might be able to answer that. So far, ito lang po muna ang masasabi ko kasi may mga nag-message if what is our life now here in New Zealand. What can I say about living in New Zealand? By the way guys, we are here in Auckland City. Just message me kung may mga question or anything, baka masasagot ko din. Bye guys!